In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Sign into your account if prompted, and make sure you're in the correct mailbox where you want the meeting to live. Once Outlook loads, look toward the top right and click the Teams icon. This opens the Teams experience in your browser and connects your meeting to Teams automatically, so your invite will include a join link. Next, go to Calendar. You'll see your schedule laid out by day or week. From here, select New Meeting. This is your starting point for creating the invite that gets sent to attendees and placed on everyone's calendars. Give your meeting a clear, specific title so people know exactly what to expect. Titles like Quarterly Sales Review or Project Kickoff work much better than something generic. Then, add your attendees by typing a name or email address. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Click the correct match to add them. Keep in mind, anyone you add here will automatically receive an invitation with the Teams meeting link. Now set the date and time. Choose the start and end times that work best. And double check your time zone if you're coordinating across regions. If you see conflicts, you can adjust the slot before sending. It's a good idea to include a buffer for late arrivals or wrap-up time, especially for larger groups. In the description box, type a short agenda, goals, and any links or files people should review beforehand. Clear context helps attendees show up prepared and keeps the meeting focused. If you're sharing a document, note where it lives so everyone can access it easily. Before saving, open the meeting options related to security and control. For who can bypass the lobby, choose the setting that matches your needs. The lobby is a virtual waiting room. Letting only people from your organization or invited attendees bypass it keeps the meeting secure. Then choose who can present. Presenters can share screens, mute others, and manage content. For smaller collaborations, letting everyone present may be fine. For larger or external meetings, limiting presentation rights to organizers and select presenters keeps things orderly. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook will send the invitations and add the Teams link to the calendar event automatically. You'll see the meeting appear on your calendar, and you can reopen it anytime to make changes or add details. When it's time to meet, just open the event and click the join link. That's all there is to scheduling a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook.